This water slide that we got has been a lot of fun for our grandkids. There's just so many fun things to do with it. On the side, it has the slide, which is inflatable, so it's super soft, super slick, and they just absolutely love that part of it. And then on the front, it has like a rock climbing wall, and it has like little places for them to put their feet, and they just go up and down it. A lot of times they just think that's great. And then at the bottom, it's got a little splash pool, so if they get hot or just take a break, they sit down there and play. And then at the bottom of the slide, it has like a water gun that just shoots water when they come down. So there's just a lot of fun things that they like about it. So it's easy to set up. It literally takes like 2 minutes, and then it comes with an air pump, and then when you're done, you just deflate it. It folds up nicely, and we put it in our garage. So we've just had a lot of good use out of it for them, so I highly recommend it.